Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed Kathol using an easy method. First, gather your mixed pulses, such as black chickpeas, kidney beans, and green gram. Rinse them well under cold, running water to remove any impurities. Then, soak these rinsed pulses in plenty of water overnight for at least 8 to 12 hours. This crucial step helps soften the beans for cooking. Once your pulses are thoroughly soaked, drain the water and transfer them to a pressure cooker. Add fresh water, ensuring it covers the beans by about 2 to 3 inches. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles on high heat or until the pulses are tender but still hold their shape. Let the pressure release naturally for safety before opening the lid. Now, let's create the flavorful gravy for our Kathol. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon each of mustard and cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Then, sauté chopped onions until golden, followed by ginger garlic paste and chopped tomatoes until they soften. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili, and coriander powder, cooking for 1 minute. Finally, combine the cooked pulses with their cooking water into your prepared gravy. Mix everything well and let it simmer on low heat for 5 to 8 minutes, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving. This hearty dish pairs wonderfully with roti or rice. Don't forget to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.